My servants ask you, O Muhammad, concerning me, indeed I am near. I respond to the invocation of the supplicant when he calls upon me. So let them respond to me by obedience and believe in me that they may be rightly guided. Chapter 2, verse number 186, Al-Quran. This shows the power of dua. It is said that dua is the weapon of the believer, and when I say weapon, not to harm others, but instead to protect ourselves. In this blessed month, Ramadan, the weight of duas is even more powerful. In fact, in our prayers during times of breaking fast, during Sahar, the power of a believer's dua just goes the extra mile. In fact, in a hadith narrated in Al-Bukhari, the Prophet ﷺ is reported to have said, when it is the last third of the night, our Lord, the Blessed, the Superior, descends every night to the heaven of the world and says, is there anyone who invokes me, demands anything from me, that I may respond to him, to his invocation? Is there anyone who asks me for something, that I may give it to him? Is there anyone who asks my forgiveness, that I may forgive him? Subhanallah. And many people, I feel, don't know about the fact that in sujood is the best time to ask dua, because that is when you're closest to Allah. And when you're in sujood, all your duas are answered. And many people have the misconception that you can only ask it in Arabic, which is not the case. You can ask it in any language because Allah is all-knowing. So make use of this opportunity. Make use of your duas, utilize them to the best of your ability. Include everyone that you know in your duas, and pray for the success of this ummah. Pray that the calamity that we are going through, that we get free from it, and include me in your duas.